Hello everyone and welcome to JNS Creative Flowers. In this video, we are going to learn how to decorate our first Holy Communion wreath. It is mostly used by small girls um, to place it on their head. So, yeah, first we will see the materials required. We need some flower making wires, yeah, then flowers of your choice. Yeah, so I'll see what all flowers I have here. I have some foam roses, so these are ready made. You can make also, but these are ready made. Then I have some peace roses of smaller mini size, and then I have some forget me not FMN flowers. Forget me not FMN. FMN flowers. So now if you want to learn how to make these flowers, the roses and FMN, I have few videos on my YouTube channel, Janet's Creative Flowers. You can go there and see how to make these flowers. Then I have the white color, um, the flower making tape. This is yeah. Then few pearls I have few four pearls, and I have inserted a wire through the holes, and this is a pair of scissors and a plier, and ribbon, half-inch satin ribbon and 1-inch shimmery ribbon. So these many things I need. So first what I do is I take these wires. I take 2 wires. Yeah, the length is optional. It is up to you how much big wreath you want to make. So I am just teaching the process. So take the flower making ribbon, not ribbon, what I say, the green, the floral tape. We say floral tape you get in white, you get in brown, and you get in green color. Yeah. So you have to drape it like this. You have to drape the, I'll just give a cut. It's difficult to show. So what you have to do is you have to drape it like this. So let me complete until the end, then I'll get back to the video. Okay, so my wire is ready from here to here. Yeah, okay, now I'm going to arrange my flowers. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to start from the very corner. Yeah, start from the very corner. I'm not going to start from the very corner because yeah, that we will see why I'm not going to start from the very corner. That we'll see later. So I take a small rose or any flower of your choice. Yeah, place it here. Place it here, and again same, use the tape like this and drape it. Same the way we did for the way we draped for the wire, we are draping for the flower. Yeah, fine. Now I am using one FMN flower, little down from there, I can see here. Okay, because I'm going to make this flower stand like this, so then see how much far it should be, because I'm going to make this a flower also. Okay, this much of space in between is okay. So now you can just roll it over the stem of the flower, and then once I secure it on the wire, I am just draping the floral tape. Fine. Okay, 2 flowers I'm done. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I have some pearls here. I have already told you I have some pearls, so I also want to like use the pearls. They should be visible like this. Yeah. If you can see. Yeah. So now okay, if you need more tape, like this. And now I'm going to use my foam flower, yeah, from here. Yeah, here I'm going to drape my foam flower like this. Here I'm going to use my foam flower like this. Yeah. So then, yeah. Now I'm planning to use pearls again. Do the same here. So let me complete this entire circle. Yeah, I'll get back to you once I complete that. Yeah. So this is how I arranged it on the wire. If you see this, this is how I have arranged it on the flower. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 1/2 inch ribbon and I am going to drape it to both the sides. First I'm going to cut some 4-fold of ribbon. Maybe a little more than that. And then again, yeah, for both the sides. And now using glue gun, drape it like this. Oh, glue came on my hand. It hurts a little when glue comes on your hand, but it's not dangerous or anything. So I'm going to drape it on both the sides, this side as well as this side. Yeah. To be on safer side, just apply glue for every turn. Otherwise, sometimes this satin ribbon or satin cloth is like this, very soft, and if you don't apply glue from one corner or somewhere in the middle, it comes out and then it doesn't look good. So yeah, make sure that you are applying glue well. So I'll get back to you once I complete both the sides. Yeah, so I'm done from both the sides. See, if you think of some extra coating, then you can do you can also go for some extra coating over here. Okay, if you think you want some extra coating on the this, you can do that. Yeah, but I think that is not that needed. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring it to a circle. Okay, I'll just keep these things aside, they are coming in between. Yeah, circle, a proper circle I'll arrange later. And now what I'm going to do is, okay, from here I'll drape the satin ribbon like this. And from here I'll drape it like this, okay, and bring it nearer. You should be a little careful. You can apply here glue also. If you have the fixed size of someone's head, then you can take the fixed circumference and you can apply glue and fix it. But here I don't know the exact circumference, so I am not using glue here. Now I'm going to tie the knot. It's a simple knot, the way we tie knot. Yeah, this much. And tie a simple bow. Yeah, you all know how we tie the bow. We ladies are expert in that, in tying a bow. So if ladies are going through this video, I don't need to tell how to tie the bow. And men, no problem, it's not that difficult. If ladies can do it, you also can do it. Yeah, that's we called what? Feminism, yeah. Okay, fine. So just arrange it into a circle. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's not that proper circle, but okay. When you place it on someone's head, it will come in a circle, so it's not going to make that big difference. So that's done. Here we go. So this is my wreath, and when you place it on someone's head, it will look like this. Yeah, so are we good? Okay then, everyone, thanks for watching. If you like my video, give a like, write a comment if you would like to, and subscribe to my channel because more videos are on the way. So thank you everyone, and have a great time. Thanks a lot.